Alright, so by inspection, write the mesh current equations for the circuit in the following figure. So let's start by writing the current mesh equation for I1. So we see it enters the 5 ohm resistor, so it's 5I1 plus 2 I1 minus I3 minus 4 volts as it enters to the negative terminal plus 2 I1 minus I2. Let's FOIL this out. So it'll be 2I1 minus 2I3 minus 4 plus 2I1 minus 2I2. And let's collect like terms. So 5, 7, 9. So 9I1 minus 2I2 minus 2I3. And let's bring the 4 to the other side. So it'll be equal to 4. So this is our first equation done. So now let's work with I2. Okay, so I2, we see it hits the 2 ohm resistor. So it's I2 minus I1 plus 4 volts as it enters from the positive terminal plus 4 I2 minus I3 plus 1 I2 minus I5 plus 1 I2 minus I4 minus 10 plus 2 I2. Okay, so this one's a pretty long one. So let's FOIL this out. Alright, so we just folded it out. So let's collect like terms. So for I1 we get 2I1 plus 10I2 minus 4I3 minus I4 minus I5. And let's bring, and we see 4 minus 10. That gives us minus 6. And let's bring the 6 to the other side. So it'll be equal to 6. Okay, so 4 minus 10, that's minus 6. And if you bring the 6 to the other side, so that's equal to 6. So this is our second equation. Now, for our third equation, it's I3. So I3, it hits a 2 ohm resistor. So I3 minus I1 plus 3I3 plus 12 minus 6 as it enters the negative part of the 6 voltage source plus 4 I3 minus I2. Boil this out. 12 minus 6, that's plus 6. And then collecting like terms, we get the following. And let's bring the plus 6 to the other side, so it's minus 6. Alright, now let's do I4 and I5. So I4 enters the 1 ohm resistor. So I4 minus I2 plus 3, I4 minus I5 plus 4, I4 equals 0. FOIL this out, so I4 minus I2 plus 3 I4 minus 3 I5 plus 4 I4 equals 0. And simplifying this out more, we have minus I2 plus 8 I4 minus 3 I5 equals 0. Now we have the last one, I5. So it's 3 I5 minus I4 plus 1 I5 minus I2 and plus 6. Okay, equals 0. So foiling this out, Just bring the 6 to the other side, so it's minus 6. And let's collect like terms. So minus I2, minus 3I4, plus 4I5, and equal to minus 6. Oh yeah, let me box these. Now what we're going to do is write a matrix. Okay, so I1, this will be the I1 category, this one will be the I2, I3, I4, and I5, and it'll be equal to whatever the last digits are equal to. So I1, okay, so for this equation, I1 has a 9 with it, so we'll put 9 here. For this one, it's minus 2. For this one, it's also minus 2. And for these two, they don't include an I1, so it'll just be 0 for both of them. Now back to the first one, we have minus 2 here for I2. Second one, plus 10. Third one, minus 4. Fourth one, minus 1. And fifth one, also minus 1. Okay? Now for I3s, we see there's a minus 2 here. Minus 4. 9. And the last two don't include any, so it'll be 0, 0. Alright, so now I4, the first one doesn't include any, so it'll be 0. The second one, it includes a minus 1. The third one doesn't include any. The fourth one, it's an 8. The fifth one is a minus 3. And now for I5, the first one doesn't include any. The second one, minus 1. The third one doesn't include any. The fourth one, minus 3. And the last one, it's a 4. And then for what they're all equal to, the first one, 4, second, 6, third, minus 6, fourth, 0, and the last one, minus 6. Now we can solve for this matrix by putting it to reduced row echelon form, or substitute or eliminate these equations, or just use MATLAB. And at the very end, you will get the following answers. I1 will be equal to 0.3829. I2 will be equal to 0.2110. I3 will be equal to minus 0.4878. I4 will be equal to minus 0.7184. And I5 will be equal to minus 1.9860.